guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my Kawaii world. So I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to share with you this really cool craft box that I received in the mail. It's from a company called Makebox and they sent this to me for free to review. Every month there's a new craft project and they provide you with all of the supplies that you need to make it in this craft box. You can either subscribe and get the new project every month, or you can choose from one of their many previous projects and they are all super cute. I had a really hard time deciding what to pick, but in the end I decided to get this one with the eucalyptus and peony floral wreath. So in this box there are actually 3 different projects and they provide you with these really detailed instruction booklets that make it really easy to make these projects. If you guys decide to get one of these boxes, make sure to use my code MARIE10 to save 10% off of your order. So I'm gonna make the wreath. I cannot promise that I will follow the directions exactly, but I think you'll enjoy this video. So this is the final product. Isn't this gorgeous? I can't wait to hang this on my front door, and it was easy to make, but it looks like something that you would buy in the store, doesn't it? So here's a sampling of some of the other boxes that they offer. You can purchase them individually or you can get a monthly subscription and get a new craft box every month. I think this makes a really great gift for somebody who loves to do DIY projects. The project that I really want to work on next is the weaving kit, and I also want to do the rainbow tassel rope thing. By the way, if you want to save 10% off of your Makebox and help out my channel, you can use the code Marie10. That is an affiliate link, so I do earn a commission from any sales. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure to check out these playlists right here. And as always, I want to give a big thank you and shout out to my Patreons and channel members. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'd like to encourage all of you to become channel members or Patreons by clicking the join button on the front of my YouTube page. Anyway, I hope you have a great week and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.